Long ago, in the ancient town of Obage, there stood a great school known as Unity Secondary School. The school was divided into two kingdoms, the senior students and the junior students. The seniors were tall, confident, and wore their preferred badges like crowns. The juniors were smaller, courteous, and often nervous, especially during their first term. In that school, there was an old saying, "The tree that forgot its roots will dry in the sun." But one year, the seniors forgot this wisdom. The senior students, led by Senior Prefect Efe, believed they were the true rulers of the school. One afternoon, near the mango tree, Efe addressed other seniors. "Remember when we were juniors?" asked Tunde quietly. Efe laughed. "That was long ago. Now we are the kings and queens of this school." They began giving unnecessary punishments to juniors.
"Junior, sweep the whole field."
"Junior, fetch water for us." "Junior, run to the staff room." The juniors obeyed, but in their heart they felt hurt. Among the juniors were a small girl named Ada. One evening, she gathered her fellow juniors behind the classroom block. "This is not how a family behaves," Ada said softly. "We respect them, but they treat us like servants." A boy named Michael wiped his eyes. "Are we not students like them?" Ada looked at the sky and said, "One day, the drum of the truth will sound." Behind the principal's office stood an old drum. It was said that the drum had been there since the school was founded. Len said, "Whenever injustice grows too loud, the drum will speak." No one believed it until one Monday morning, as seniors gathered for assembly, the sky grew dark, though it was not rainy season. Suddenly, boom, 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 the old drum began to beat on its own. Students screamed. Teachers rushed out. The drum sound echoed across the compound. Then a deep voice seemed to whisper through the wind,
"Those who forget yesterday will lose tomorrow."
The seniors trembled. Today looked at Efe.
"This is because of how we treat the juniors."
"It is just the wind."
But that very week, strange things began to happen. Seniors forget their assignments, prefects lost their badges, the football team kept losing matches. Meanwhile, the juniors began excelling. Ada scored the highest in mathematics. Michael won the debate competition. The teachers were surprised. One afternoon, the oldest teacher, Mama Okon, gathered everyone. She pointed at the mango tree. "Do you see this tree?" she asked. "Yes, ma," the student replied. When it was small, it needed protection. Now it gives shade. But if the branches break, the small ones, who will replace them? The seniors lowered their heads. Efe stepped forward. "We have been proud," he admitted. "We forgot we were once juniors." Ada looked at him kindly. "We never wanted to fight. We only wanted respect." That evening, something beautiful happened. The seniors went to the juniors' classroom. Efe spoke humbly. "From today, we lead by example, not by fear." Michael smiled. "And we will learn with respect, not resentment." They shook hands. From that day, seniors began monitoring juniors. Juniors assisted seniors willingly. The school became peaceful again. And the mysterious drum, it never sounded again. The moral lesson of this story in Unity Secondary School, a proverb was born. Today junior is tomorrow senior. And so, the school flourished like a tree whose roots and branch understood one another. Thanks for watching. And please, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Bye!